shapes instead of present. Sample ba mga bata?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so Melrose Flores.
Square.
Okay. Present Potenciano.
Circle.
Bernabel Ayala.
Triangle.
Katrina Sino.
Star.
Okay. Very good, no? Kay present mo, tanan. Now, before we proceed to our discussion, let us ato sa balikan atong i-discuss last meeting. So, what did we discuss last meeting?
Sure.
Okay, Bernabel?
Simple geometric figure, teacher.
Oh, that's right. Atong last discussion is all about simple geometric figures. Now, who can give me an examples of simple geometric figures? Okay, can you help? Stand up.
Lines, teacher.
Okay, very good. What else? Isa pa man. What else?
There's
Yes.
perpendicular line.
Very good. That's right. What else? Isa pa man mga examples of geometric figures. Yes, Rizal. Please stand up. Okay, very good. All of your answers are correct. So now it seems like all of you really understood what we tackled last meeting. Now we're going to proceed to our discussion. But before that, let's have an activity first. This activity is called Guess Me. So now yung mga pictures class na makita sa inyo, tapos inyo hindi siya tanawin kung isa siya, kung sa shape sa mga objects. Kapag ba mga bata? Okay, first picture. Dapat, kung sa may na, butayin sa inyong balay class, kung sa may shape sa roof, sa balay.
Some are triangle.
Okay, our girls, please stand up and write your answers in the report. Okay, thank you. Tama ba ang answer ni girls class? This one, shapes up, roof, no? And shapes up, roof of the house is triangle. Second picture. So, what's naman is siya class?
Car.
Yes, it's a car. So, what's naman yung shape sa digit sa car?
Circle.
So, Bernabel, please come here in front and write your answer. Thank you. So, tama ba ang answer niya, class?
Yes.
Yes, very good. So, ang shape guys ng ano, digit na kung makita ako sa tinatawag, natulog sa school, it is circle ang shape sa wheel. Third picture. What's up man siya, class?
Eye.
It's a hat. Very good. So, sa inyong napansin class, what's man ang shape sa ato ang wizard hat?
Star.
Okay, who wants to answer? Okay, Katrina, please stand up and come here for the first part. flag. Who wants to answer? Okay, Will Rose. Okay, thank you. Tama ba, class? Okay, very good. It's our rectangle. Next picture. So what is this, class? It's a picture frame. So what do you think, class, is the shape of the picture frame? Who wants to answer? Okay, Renate. Okay, thank you. Kay nakasagot mo sa ato ang naka-answer mo sa ato ang activity. Now, before we go into our discussion, let us have an activity. This activity is called Shapes Scavenger Hunt. What you have to do is to find the mga shapes no, sa ato ang sa ato ang classroom, and then ino siya i-draw at ino i-label kung sa aming mga shapes. Kita mo rin mga objects sa classroom na ang ilang shape is circle, triangle, square, and rectangle. Tapos hindi siya i-draw. So, isang talagang class, okay, dili sa 1/4 sa isang finger. So, isang talagang class, okay, we'll just give you 2 minutes to do the activity. And after that, atong tanawin ko, saan yung mga activity na, saan yung mga ibang draw na object. Okay, 1 minute there. Okay, tapos na ba ang tanan? Okay, so, class, asa man mo nakakita o, sa man ang mga shapes ang inyong nakita sa classroom? Yes, Rose? Door. So, kung sa man ang shape sa door? Yes, very good. That's right. Who else wants to share their window? Yes, Felipe? Window. So, kung sa man shape sa window? Yes, very good. Ang shape sa window no kay square. So, who else? Sabrina? So, kung sa may shape sa select one? Yes, that's right. Ang shape sa select one, it is a circle. Who else? I think, what? Circle. Cover sa one? Okay, very good. Ang shape ato is circle. Very good. So, task. Kung saan mo yung igamit sa pag-draw sa mga objects? Kasi mo lang itong gamit, crayons or pencil. Okay, so, ang ubano kayo, nagamit sila of crayons, ang ubansan, nagamit sila of pencil. So, class, how do you, kung saan mo yung na-feel sa pangita o mga one, so gusto na tayo makita ng mga shapes na first one sa circle, triangle, rectangle, and square. So, now, salamat sa inyo mga answers. Now, before we proceed our discussion, nasa Tadirate classroom rules. Makibasa, mga bata?
Don't be late to class. Respect each other. Raise your hand to ask a question. Listen to the teacher. Put things back in their proper shelves. Be an active student.
Okay, so, ma-expect ba na lang sa inyo ang task?
Yes, teacher.
Now, we present sa inyo sa ano ang mga learning objectives. Please read.
At the end of the lesson, the student must be able to identify, name, and describe the four basic shapes in two-dimensional objects. Draw the four basic shapes and recognize the importance of two-dimensional objects.
Okay. Ready na ba kung mag-ina sa atong discussion class?
Yes, teacher.
So now, let's meet the two-dimensional objects and we can find them everywhere. So class, what is two-dimensional objects? Nakapag idea kung sa two-dimensional objects?
Wala, teacher.
Wala ka idea. So, ang two-dimensional objects daw, these are flat shape that consist of two dimensions such as a line and a width but no thickness or height. So, class, ang two-dimensional objects daw is consists here of two dimensions such as length and width but wala siya ay thickness and height. So, ang length class, makibasa ng bata.
How long or short the object is?
So, ang length daw is kung sa kataas, kung sa pagtulubong, kung sa ka-object. So, next is ang width. Makibasa.
How wide an object
So,
is?
ang width daw is kung sa kalapad ng isa ka-object. So, kung sa galing ang length class,
Kung sa mataas or kung
isa ka kilos.
ang length teacher is nag-identify siya sa length ay sa kung sa taas or kamuha ang isa kalapad.
Okay, very good. Let us give three claps na kay girls. So, kung sa naman ito ang width.
Ang bilang teacher na ang kalapad nila sa object.
Very good. Sabi na ito siya ang three claps.
1, 2, 3.
Now, let's read the two-dimensional shapes. First shape is the circle. So, pakibasa ang circle.
Is a closed two-dimensional shape made up of a curved line with no corners or edges.
This ang circle ng bata is made of a curved line. But wala siya ay corners and edges. So here are the real life objects example. So first example is siya class.
It's a ball.
So nakita na ba ang ball?
Yes!
Isa may na-ball to sa nabalay.
Ako teacher.
Okay, kamu lang ang ball. So ang ball class isa siya example sa circle. Ang shape sa ball is circle. So, kanina, ito man eh.
Sun. Namisan sa balay teacher.
Yes?
Namisan sa
Dapat
balay.
naman sa balay.
Oo.
Okay, masulat. So, ang shape, sa may shape sa sun.
Circle.
Okay, very good. Circle. So, what is this class?
Orange.
Orange?
Yes.
So, ano ang shape sa orange?
Circle.
Very good. So, isa pa may makakatabi yun. Another example sa object na lang. Sa object na, the first one sa circle na shape. Yes? Watermelon. Well, so ito naman yung mga objects na first one into circle na shape.
Sino teacher?
Pero ito ito sa kay circle. Dapat may mga pag-ikot pa. Example. Wala na. So let's proceed to the second basic shape. So this is the triangle. So, kung ibasa, mga bata.
It is a two-dimensional shape with three sides and three corners.
Okay, so ang triangle daw is a shape with three sides and with three corners. So, ano siya ang side glass? Ano siya ang side? And ang corners is ano siya? So, pila ka corners ang nasa triangle glass? Tulo. So, pila ko ang sides. Pila ka? Tulo. So, ang tama ang mga answer. So, here are the real-life object example. First is the what is this class? Makakaon mo ng watermelon? So, sa mga shape sa watermelon, kapag sila ay slice. Triangle. So, ang shape sa watermelon, kapag natin siya slice is so, another example. So, what is your class? Very good. So, meron dito ang birthday party. This kind of mga bata, no? Very good. Tama, no? Natay magamit natay mag-use ka ang galong para paano ang mga bata ba sa mga kailangan sa sila. So, kung saan may shape sa calculus? Triangle shape. Third example. What is this?
Ice cream!
Ice cream.
Wala pa akong
Wala pa ang shape. Kunya, palitan ka ni teacher para maka-manya kung saan shape sa ice cream. So, ang ice cream class is, ang iyang shape sa iyang cone is popsicle stick. Ang sa napoy ba na ice cream naman ang popsicle stick, napoy ba na napoy na ice cream. So, minsan may mga give grade. Another example na triangle shape na object na first class sa triangle shape. So, yes, Rose?
This is not an object, but ang Mount Apo teacher is known siya perfect home.
Yes, that's right. Now, Mount Apo. It's a kaya no? Mount Apo.
Yes,
It's
teacher!
a mountain. So, ito na niyang shape.
Ano kayo mo? Teacher?
Oh, volcano na siya. So, ang shape niya is
Or triangle?
triangle. So, panitas. Nakita ba niyo?
Like that,
So,
teacher!
ito na niyang shape.
Triangle!
Siya is another example of an object that corresponds sa triangle shape. Nasabta na ba mga bata?
Yes, teacher!
Move on to the next third basic shape, which is the
Square!
So, everyone, please read.
Is a two-dimensional shape with four equal sides, and each angle is equal to 90%, and all sides are the same length.
Okay, so square is a two-dimensional shape with four equal size. Ano siya class? Four equal size. Ano sila ang square? So class, these are the real-life objects example. First example is, what's naman siya class? It's a cube. So, sa'yo nakita class, what's naman yung shape? It's a square. Very good. So, next example is Okay, katong aquarium. Ang iyang shape is square. Nasabta na ba ang square class? Now let's move on to the rectangle. Everyone, please read.
These are two-dimensional shapes with four sides in which the opposite sides are equal and parallel.
Okay, so mao ni siya ang rectangle. So ang rectangle class is na siya for the size. Ang length o ang width. So ang length class parehas siya ka iyang size sa isa niya ka sa isa ka side. So ang iya po dito sa ubos, ang width niya is same po siya o size sa width sa taas. Okay. So, class, noon siya ang mga real-life objects example sa rectangle. First picture, isa mo siya class? Book. So, kinsa mo yung na-i-book diri dala? Walang dala book. So, pero kung na-i-book ninyo makita, isa man ang ilang shape? Very good. Second picture, what is this? Diri sa classroom, masang nato makita. Door, dito ano sa gawa. Sa inyong balay class, makita ninyo ang door. Sa man ang shape sa inyong door? Rectangle. This class, what is this? It is like this building. So, balik sa school na ito class, muna siya ang building. Ang iyang shape is rectangle. So, class, isa na kung nakatagdaring another example, another object example na iyang shape is rectangle. Yes, Annabeth? Yes, cellphone. Rectangle ay ang shape, pero nagklase mo ta karon ato lang na siya i-keep kay maminaw kay picture. Nasabta na ba itong discussion class? Wala na din mga pangutana? Okay, now we will have another activity. This activity is called Now, I will divide the class into two groups. So, this will be the group 1 and this will be the group 2. Karon, nadagan na mo mga pictures na niya. Tapos, inyong buhaton is to determine whether the objects are circle, triangle, square, and rectangle. So, dagdag na mo mga materials, mga pictures. Tapos, pag inyo siya ma-determine kung sa siya na shape, is inyo siya ibutang dyan sa chart na ako nang dihatag, ako nang i-provide sa inyong table. Nasabta na ba, class? Okay, natagal na ito mo 2 minutes to do the activity. And after that, ibutang ninyo ang inyong chart dito sa board. Okay, nasabta na ba? Okay, you may now start. Okay, so sa rectangle, ibutang nila na picture is dash.